and this is the right side. Hi, welcome back to the channel. I'm Dr. Vstrom, and today's video is all about the first upgrade for this Vstrom 800 RE. It's about installing aftermarket rubber lever grips like these ones over here, and it's the easiest and cheapest upgrade that you can do. Up next, brake and clutch lever grips, which are aftermarket from another company. I'm not sponsored. This particular one, this product, I also had installed it in my previous Vstroms. It gives a really nice feel when you grab the levers. It's very cheap, and yeah, why not? It's very easy to install. To install this part, what we're going to need is the following: some baby wipes to clean the levers, 70% alcohol, some clean rags, clean clothes, silicone spray, and the sun. Alternatively, if you don't have sun or you don't want to wait too much, and to make your life easier, you can use a heat gun and heat the rubber. Just leave those in the sun and the heat will kind of expand them a bit, and again it will make it easier to install them. Take your baby wipe and clean the lever, and then repeat from the other side. Take one clean wipe, put some 70% alcohol on it, and then clean the lever and repeat from the other side. Take another clean cloth and wipe off any of the alcohol remaining, and repeat from the other side. Lever grips are still in the sun, cooking and extending, and we will now use the silicone spray. We will put some on our clean cloth and apply it on the levers. You see, after you hit the rubber, but be careful, it's easier to install the first part. So hit it only from the first part, and then installation would be easier. And this part, which is not being heated, it's going to be harder, and so it will be secure inside there, you see? Again, for the second handle grip, leave the rubber in the sun, or if you want to speed up the process, hit it with a gun, but carefully, only one side. As soon as you see it on this side that it has been heated, that it is a bit more flexible, you insert it, and you see, that was it. That's it. Take your clean wipe and wipe off any of the silicone spray remaining, and you're done. Aesthetically it's very nice, but the main reason that we put it is that it gives a different feeling when you grab the levers. Thanks for watching, and as always, drive safe.